Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to go back to 1967 off the Monkees' first album and a big hit for them. This is called Last Train to Clarksville, so I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So if this is what you're up for, go and grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Last Train to Clarksville. Let's show you how this is done. So first off, it's in the key of G major. And what we're going to do is, here's the riff. So it's going to go... So let me show you how that's done. So first off, because we're in the key of G, our third finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the E string. That's going to give us the note of G. And then we're going to up pick on the 3rd string, which is also a G, but that's a higher G. So we've got low G and then a high G, which is the 3rd string. So G chord, we're going to go G, down pick, so, and then up pick on the G, and then we're going to go 3rd fret of the D string. Then we're going to go 2nd fret of the D string, and then open D. So let's put that together. Okay, so I'll take you through that one more time. So down pick on the 3rd fret of the E string, up pick on the G string, and then we're going to bring our 3rd finger down to the 3rd fret of the D string, which for a down pick, and then a down pick on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then a down pick on an open D string. Then it gets a little bit more intricate. It doubles up. So we're going to be down picking on, again, the same notes, but we're down pick on the 3rd fret of the E string to give us the G note, up pick on the G, and then we're going to go from the 3rd fret of the D string to the up pick of the G string, but then we go back to the 3rd fret of the D string. So it's going to go, and then we're going to do the same thing, but instead of using the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, we're going to do it on the 2nd fret of the D string and go, so, and then open D once. So let's take you through the whole intro and obviously riff from the beginning. So we're going to go, so it's, first of all, it's single. Then double. Okay, so that's how the riff is played. As you can appreciate, on the record there's a rhythm guitar player and a lead guitar player, and you may obviously be only one person unless you just want to do one part or the other. I'm going to show you how to play the riff and the rhythm part together, so you can do both parts as one. The rhythm part will be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So I'll show you the chords. So we've got G, and then we go down to C7, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, then back to G. So that's if you want to do the rhythm playing just on its own. But if you want to incorporate the lead, the riff part as part of the chords, you down pick on the G note, which is the E string but the 3rd fret, as you know, and then we go So we're going to go up, down, and then go. So bass note, down, up, down. Bass, down, up, down. So that's going to sound in, it was sped up, it's going to sound. Then C7. Then what happens is the bit that goes, and I don't think if I'm ever coming home, that bit goes to the D. So that's all G, C7, C7. And then there's a bit that goes do. So that bit is literally the G chord. But what I want you to do, I want you to leave your little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we constantly got that G note running through. So it goes G to C to G to C. So take that. So that's from G. Then C7. D. There we have it, Last Train to Clarksville by the Monkees. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, can you do me a massive favour please and click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar based tutorials. A big thanks to everyone that's liked and subscribed already. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Really look after yourselves. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.